Welcome back, students. In this tutorial we will learn about how we can connect our Power BI report with a specific data source. The two data sources that we will cover in this tutorial are how to import the Excel workbook into the Power BI report, and the second one is how to import a text or a CSV file into this Power BI report. So let's get started. The first step that you need to perform after opening the Power BI is to go to this Get Data option and then click Excel Workbook. Now when we click Excel Workbook, we need to navigate to the location where our main dataset file is present. In this case, I will import this main report stats Excel file. I will click open in it and we will wait for it to fetch the data from this Excel file. Now once it fetches the data from this Excel file, we can see that there is only one sheet with the name of main report. If there are multiple sheets in this Excel workbook, it will be shown here in the form of a list. We need to select those sheets which we want to import and click load. Once we click load, it will load all the data from this Excel workbook from the sheet main report into this Power BI report. We will wait for it to complete. Now you can see that these are a few errors about the data types. We will learn about these type of errors because I will be taking this a data set specifically for the purpose of a demonstration, so that we also learn how to remove these errors which are being shown here while loading the data. This error is specifically about the data type, which we will cover in the next upcoming videos. So you can see that the data from main report is imported into this Power BI report. You can see these are all the columns that are present in our data set. Now the second type of data source that we will learn how to connect with is a text or a CSV file. If I click the text CSV file, you can see that these are different type of CSV files that are present in our downloads folder. For example, if I want to import this bankjournals.csv file, I will click open and the same procedure will be performed in this case. But as it is a CSV file and this does not have multiple sheets, that's why it has automatically imported the CSV file into this Power BI report. Apart from this, we can perform some changes in this case. Like for example, if a CSV file is separated by a delimiter apart from comma, we can select that. Like for example, some CSVs are in the form of colons or a semicolon or a tab space or a fixed width. So these are the options that we can set while importing the CSV file into our Power BI report. Moreover, we can use the data type detection, like what should be the data type of this column. It will detect based on the first 200 rows. First 200 rows are fine for importing the data set and identifying what data type should be of a specific column. Once we load the data set, we will see that the data from this CSV file will also be loaded. Now you see in the data section we have two data sets, one the main report and the second is bank journals. So that's how you import the data from either Excel file or a text or a CSV file in this case. Thank you. See you in the next video.